Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change language on your Rapids Wallet application. If you want to change your language setting on your Rapids Wallet app, then first thing to do is to open the app itself. Make sure that you're signed into your wallet, and once you're inside, tap the settings button at the lower right hand corner of the screen. From the settings menu, tap on Change Language. From the list of languages displayed on the screen, choose the language of your preference that you would want to change to. Once you give a tap to another selected language, tap Done at the top right in order to change your language setting for the app. And as you can see that your display language has now been changed. That is how you can easily change your language setting on your Rapids Wallet application in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.